Good morning everyone. So today I'll be showing you how the Hill Start Assist works on my 2020 Honda Goldwing Tour DCT. So let's get started. As you can see, I'm already on a little bit of incline, and the good thing about the Hill Start Assist is that even with a slight incline, it works amazingly, perfectly fine. I'll go back slightly, okay, and then put it in D. Okay, let's move ahead a little bit, and I'll press the brake, and you can see the Hill Start Assist light came on. Now this is after me pressing and holding the brake here, okay, and that's how the Hill Start Assist light is on. If I let go of the brake here, which you can see, once I let go of the brake here, this thing blinks for 5 seconds. So we have 5 seconds before the bike starts rolling back, and as you can see, the bike's rolling back. I hold the brake again, the light's on there, and once I release it, it starts blinking. Within 5 seconds, I can move further, I can press the brake again, and the Hill Start Assist is on again. There. It's an amazingly nice feature on this Goldwing, which is a 2018 plus, but in my case, it's a 2020 Honda Goldwing Tour, and I absolutely love it. Like, let go of my hand, 5 seconds, it's going to start rolling back. And there you go. You see it starts rolling back. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and we'll talk to you soon.